Thank you for joining me for episode 2 of Epic Coloring Pages. Today we're coloring out of Epic Landscapes, Volume 1. This is a brand new book we've just published. It is available to purchase on Amazon right now. Today we're coloring page 1. So let's talk a little bit about the tools we are going to need. I always like to have PRISMACOLor color pencils handy because they're so versatile and buttery smooth. I also like to have POSCA markers in case I want some super highlights, pinks, oranges. I also like to have my Tombow fine liners, both hard tip and soft tip, in case I want to do a little bit of detail work. And then always, everyone has alcohol markers. Always remember to have one extra sheet of paper underneath your art so that it doesn't bleed through. So let's get started. Well, that does it. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Epic Coloring Pages. I hope you found this as relaxing as I did. Please look for the link in the description so that you can purchase Epic Landscapes Volume 1. Thanks for watching.